Good day everyone, I'm Normie V. Kaingin, Vice Ed 2A. Today, I'm gonna show you a short discussion of the composition of punctuation mark in a sentence and some example or short examples of use of it in a sentence. Composition of punctuation marks. First is a period, also known as stop. In American English is one of the most commonly used punctuation mark in the English language. Exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used to show emphasis. It can be used in the middle of the sentence or at the end of a sentence. When used at the end of a sentence, it also takes on the role of a full stop or a period. Comma is used to show the difference between two separate ideas or elements with a sentence. Example, while running I saw a smaller kind of duck. Semicolon. A semicolon is used to separate two independent clauses while still demonstrating that close relationship exists between them. Example, my daughter is a teacher, my son is a doctor. Colon. Colon is used to separate two independent clauses when the second explain or illustrate the first. Example, he was going to buy the three things: chairs, tables, and utensils. Hyphen as a punctuation mark used to join words and to separate syllables of a single word. Apostrophe. An apostrophe is used to show that certain letters have been omitted from a word. The punctuation symbol can also be used to show the possessive form of a noun, in addition to indicating the plural form of lowercase letters. Example, use an apostrophe in construction, he is or his. Second, use an apostrophe to indicate a position. The apostrophe examples, he joined Charles' army in 1642. Quotation marks, also known as speech marks. We use quotation marks for direct quotation in English. Example, I feel I've really earned this, she said, taking up her mug of tea. The thus is used to separate words into statement. There are two kinds of thuses, the en dash and the en thus. Example of en thus is 1880 up to 1945. Then en thus is example, she gave him her answer no. Parentheses. Parentheses are quotation marks that show additional stuff about statement in many scenarios. They can be replaced by commas without any changes to meaning of the sentence. We also often use parentheses to set off less important details. Example, the two brother Richard and were learning how to play guitar. Brackets are square of quotation that are used to show information of technical natures. Even if this information is omitted entirely, the sentence should still make sense. For example, was the defendant there when you arrived? The ellipsis is also known as sum as ... because it consists of three periods or dots in a row. Use an ellipsis to indicate pause. Example, you mean we have a test today. That's all. Thanks for watching.